From time to time, when we are using Git, we might make a mistake. Maybe we delete a branch we didn't mean to. Maybe we mess up a rebase. And maybe we amend a commit that we didn't mean to amend, and we want to go back to how it was previously. In all of these cases, git reflog is a command that can get us out of these problems. So let's have a look at what's going on here. I have created a commit where I'm just updating the README file. I've just added just a little change here. So this is the most recent commit, and the commit prior to that was based on the 21st of December. So let's go in and modify the README. I'm going to add just another line here saying another change. And instead of creating a new commit, I am going to amend the existing commit. So this is the diff that we have now, just that extra line I've added. So let's amend the current commits. So git commit -a amend -c head, which means it will use the message of the current commit. So we've done that, and now let's look at the previous two commits. We now have our most recent commit is this one here, and it's got both changes. So the initial change and the amended change. And then our second commit is the one from the 21st of December. So that remains unchanged. Now let's imagine we wish we hadn't made this particular change. Of course, in this simple change, we could just, delete the code we don't want. But imagine if the amend was a bit more complicated than that. How can we go back to the commit as it previously was? Well, what we can do is we can look at something called the reflog. And this holds the short chars or the commit git chars and every single point that we were pointing at. So we can see the most recent one is an amended commit where we updated the README. And the one prior to that is a commit which is just update README. So what we can do here is we can see the char for this is 21F25E7. So let's copy that char. And now we can do git reset --hard and then the char that we want to go back to. And what that has done is that's reset the branch that we're on, which is main, to the commit as it was for this git char. So now if we take a look at the previous two commits, we can see that the initial commit has gone back to how it was previously with just that initial change. And once again, the second commit remains unchanged from the 21st of December. So the git reflog is a really handy way of seeing our history of all the actions we've done locally. And if we don't like something we've done, we can use the git reflog in combination with, we'll use the git reflog to find the char of the commit we want to go back to, and then we use git reset --hard with that char, and it will take us back to that point. Reflog is such a useful tool when we made git mistakes, so definitely add this to your list of commands that you use when you need to. If you found this useful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for the remaining few videos in this series.